Hello, and welcome to the BZ Brooks channel. I'm Sarita.
And I'm Aaliyah.
And today we're going to make slime using liquid starch and glue. Let's get started. First, we're going to add glue. We're going to put a little for now. We might need some later. Then we're going to add the liquid starch. Then we're gonna work it around inside of our cup. Feel free to use a bowl if you have a bowl, but I have a cup, so I'm using my cup. And you just work it around till you get to the texture that you want. I like mine to be thick, so I'm gonna work it around a little bit longer until I get to the consistency that I want. Okay. It's almost to where I like it. And if the cup is not helping you, you can pull it out of the cup, work it on the table, but make sure you have something on your table that's protecting it so you won't mess up your mom's nice table. All right, I'm just working in. We're gonna add a little bit more glue to this. And as you can see, Aaliyah's playing with some slime that we made earlier.
Yes, I am making slime.
Work it in on the table. All that liquid starch up off the table. And here's our slime. But our slime is a little bit plain, so we're gonna add a little bit
Food coloring.
of food coloring. And which food coloring should we use, Aaliyah?
Red.
Red? All right, so let's put some red in here. All right, couple drops. Depends on how dark you want your slime to be. If you want it real light, just do one dot. If you want it to be a dark red, use a couple dots. And just work it in your cup a little bit. Just make sure all the food coloring is worked in to the slime. And there you have it. Slime.
Slime.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.